Are you wanting to get started in the world of wedding filmmaking? Maybe you're just starting to learn about video. Maybe you've already shot a wedding for a friend or family member, you really liked it and you're wanting to shoot more. Or maybe you'd like to make this a full-fledged business and turn it into a career. So you're out here on the internet trying to figure out how to get this thing up and running. You watch YouTube videos, read articles, research the latest and greatest gear, and you spend hours taking in all kinds of information. But what if there's a place where you get a lot of wedding filmmaking information while at the same time creating a plan of attack for how you're going to start this thing? This is where the beginner's guide to wedding filmmaking comes in. I've created a 50-page interactive PDF guide that will give you a foundation to kickstart your wedding videography journey. You'll gain valuable knowledge, increase your confidence, and cultivate practical action steps that will give you progress toward your wedding filmmaking goals. Here's the table of contents so you'll have an idea of what we'll be going over together. After each section, there are reflection questions and areas for you to type or write out your answers and other thoughts on that particular subject. Once you've gotten through the material, you'll have the opportunity to create action steps based on the foundations you set in your reflections. There are also links to my YouTube tutorials within the guide to supplement and reinforce the content. This is a great resource for active learning and decision making. You won't just be taking in information, but you'll be guided through making actionable and practical decisions about how you're going to start, grow, and improve as a wedding filmmaker. The hope is that you would have increased knowledge, confidence, clarity, and direction as you get started as a wedding filmmaker, whether your goal be just a hobby, a side hustle, or even going full-time. You can find the link to purchase the guide in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you all in the next video.